In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tax in Zoho Books. Now, if you're new to Zoho or just looking to streamline your accounting process, adding taxes properly is a crucial part of managing your finances. Whether it's applying VAT, sales tax, or any other form of government levy, setting them up correctly in Zoho will help ensure your accounts are accurate and compliant. Let's get started by heading over to your Zoho Books account. Once you're signed in, you'll want to navigate to the dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your main control panel within Zoho, providing you with a snapshot of your current financial status and easy access to various functions. Next, look for the Settings icon. This is the hub where you can configure all aspects of your Zoho account. Click on this, and it will take you to a menu of options tailored to manage your business needs. Once you're in the settings, you'll want to select the option labeled Podspouse. This section is designed specifically for managing various tax rates and rules that your business needs to follow. Clicking on Taxes will provide you with a list of existing tax rules and the opportunity to create new ones or modify the current settings. To add a new tax, you'll see an option called New Tax Platab. Click on this and you'll be directed to a page where you can enter the specifics of your tax rate. You'll first need to type in a name for your tax. Make sure it accurately represents the tax type, as this will be helpful when applying it to transactions and understanding your reports. After naming your tax, you'll need to input the tax rate. This is typically a percentage, so ensure you input it accordingly. This rate will be the figure applied to your sales or purchases, depending on your selections later on. If your business deals with international sales or operates under VAT MOS or OSS schemes, you might need to track taxes collected countrywise. To do this, look for the checkbox labeled as such and click it if applicable. This is particularly useful for digital services or businesses with a complex geographical tax structure. There's also an option to specify if the tax is a compound tax. Compound taxes are those applied on top of other taxes, making it important if multiple taxes are applicable on the same base amount. Thoroughly consider if this option fits your requirements and select if it applies to your specific scenario. Finally, after reviewing all the details and ensuring they're correct, click on the Save button. This action will consolidate all your input and officially add the tax rate to your Zoho Books settings. Always double-check the entries to catch any errors that might affect your financial tracking. And there you have it. You've successfully added a tax rate to Zoho Books. This straightforward process, though simple, plays an essential role in your business accounting system. Be sure to explore further to make the most out of Zoho Books' capabilities.